Oh man, look at that. That car just got done wrecking into that car. Oh man. Crazy.
Wow.
That car looks like it's had no damage on it. But then again, I'm not seeing the other side of it, so maybe it's on the other side of the car. But this one, whew, there goes that back door. Man. Anyways, here in Vegas, actually anywhere it happens, I think the craziest drivers though are Utah. Craziest drivers in the world. But here you go. Just bored, so this is all I have. And look, this car's in the middle of the road. Now it's turning. It's not even its green light. It's my green light. Oh my goodness. Jeez, these people. Okay, never mind. Utah's not the craziest driving state, man. I changed my mind. Vegas is the craziest driving state. Peace.
Well, there's a few words I'd like to tell him, but he is a hell of a singer, don't get me wrong. But I do know how to sign. But that's because this government's getting me down to the right to remain silent. I got more rights, and the other one I'm finding out is free will by our Lord.
Yeah.
But the right to remain silent is what Vegas seems to want me to do. And I will not shut my mouth for no man, sir.
Yeah.
But other than that...
Hey, just keep doing your thing, man. I'll give you a call if ever we need an opening and stuff. You know what I mean?
I would appreciate it. Because...
That's your dog?
She's a service animal.
Oh, okay.
And and her rights were violated this last time. They killed her babies.
Yeah?
How they had the right to go into our apartment when I was outside, the door was locked, to get her, to take her to Lied Animal Shelter and kill her babies. Not to mention that 4 months ago she was mauled by a pit bull. And I don't have problems with pits, it's the way they're raised. Because her best friends are pits. Other than that, thank you so much. Because hopefully y'all do become someone in this world with what y'all think. But y'all have a great day.
Alright.
But I really thought you were going to hit him with the thing. This is Vegas and shit like that does happen. I do know girls that have been buried out in the desert too.
Damn, you know girls? How do you know that they've been buried?
They're workers. They're streetwalkers, and they've been in the paper, but nobody in this city makes any... That is newsworthy, but these newsmen, they're after just the money. But they don't talk about the proper news. They just talk about what happens in Vegas, and I do say this with all conviction, stays in Vegas, and I'm not going out like that.
Yeah.
But other than that, thank you so much.
Hey, no problem, bro. All right. Now. Take care.
I try to, and he does take care of me.
All right. All right, well, that was interesting. This guy that we were shooting a short film, and this guy came on the road, and he wanted to be in it. So we were like, all right, you're in it. But check it out; it's gonna be funny. I'll put the link in my underpants. So we're just over here, as you can see. They are still shooting it on the streets. How's the kids doing? How you guys doing? Huh? Good? Good? How you doing? Yeah, I know. Shouldn't have brought them because, man, they are whiny. Anyways, alright, y'all. Today's been a pretty productive day. We, as you already knew from the old previous footage, we were shooting a short little clip. You know, like I said, check out the link. On the way to pick up Mommy. On the way to pick her up, she gets off pretty early, so it's only like 7:30 right now at night, or 7:45, whatever. And we're gonna go home and watch a movie and finish the editing,